Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Grandmacore aesthetic kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Grandmacore aesthetic kitchen decorating is a warm, nostalgic decorating style inspired by traditional grandma's kitchens. It combines vintage furniture, heirloom accessories, floral patterns, and handmade details to create a cozy, welcoming space that feels lived in rather than perfectly styled. The trend has grown rapidly as people seek comforting, personality-filled interiors. Grandmacore aesthetic kitchen decorating is more than a decorating style. It is about creating a kitchen that feels comforting, timeless, and full of memories instead of chasing the latest trends. Grandmacore celebrates handcrafted details, family traditions, and vintage treasures that make a home feel welcoming. Characteristics of a Grandmacore kitchen collected over time. The room looks thoughtfully gathered over many years rather than bought all at once. Warm and inviting. Use soft lighting, natural materials, and cozy textures. Encourage people to linger. Vintage charm. Antique or vintage-inspired furniture use enamel art, ceramic bowls, and old-fashioned kitchen tools add personality. Next, functional beauty. Everyday items such as teapots, wooden spoons, rolling pins, and cookware are displayed as part of the decor. Nature-inspired. Use fresh flowers, herbs, dried lavender, woven baskets, and seasonal fruits. Bring life into the kitchen. Next, popular color palette. Use warm white, cream, butter yellow, shades green, dusty blue, soft pink, terracotta, and natural wood tones. These colors create a peaceful and nostalgic atmosphere. Materials that defines the style. Use solid wood, stone countertops, ceramic and porcelain, coppers and brass, wicker and rattan, linen and cotton, crochet and lace accents. Next, decorative accessories. Use floral teacups and china. Use vintage cookie jars, glass storage jars, wooden cutting boards, antique skulls, ceramic pitchers, oven bread baskets, embroidered tablecloths, crochet pot holders, fresh flowers in vintage vases. Next, furniture ideas. Use farmhouse dining table, wooden chairs with cushions, vintage hutch or china cabinet, kitchen island with open shelves, small breakfast nook by the window, rolling wooden kitchen cot. Next, lighting. Warm lighting is essential. Choose vintage pattern lights, glass or milk glass shades, brass wall sconces, warm white bulbs for a cozy glow. Styling secrets. Leave a loaf of bread, fruit bowl, or teapot on the counter to make the kitchen feel lived in. Mix floral patterns with simple stripes or gingham for visual interest. Display cookbooks and handwritten family recipes. Use gifted or heirloom pieces to give the space authenticity. Rotate seasonal decorations such as spring flowers, autumn pumpkins, or holiday greenery. A Grandmacore kitchen should feel like a place where baking cookies, sharing family meals, and enjoying a cup of tea are everyday traditions. The goal is comfort, warmth, and timeless character rather than perfection. Grandmacore kitchens are inspired by the comforting charm of traditional homes, where every item has a purpose and often a story behind it, rather than focusing on perfectly matched decor. This style embraces a layered, collected look that feels warm, personal, and timeless. Next, design philosophy. The heart of Grandmacore is creating a kitchen that feels welcoming instead of formal, practical as well as beautiful, filled with memories and handmade touches, connected to nature and the changing seasons, comfortable enough for family and friends to gather. Signature features, layout textures. A Grandmacore kitchen combines many natural textures such as wooden cabinets and cutting boards, linen tea towels, crochet pot holders, lace curtains, wicker baskets, ceramic bowls, and copper cookware. These materials add depth and warmth without making the room feel cluttered. Open display. Instead of hiding everything in cabinets, Grandmacore celebrates everyday objects. Stacked vintage plates, floral teacups, glass jars filled with baking ingredients, wooden utensils, and ceramic crocks. Use old cookbooks and decorative cake stands. Also use handmade details. Handcrafted items make the kitchen feel unique. Use crocheted table runners, embroidered napkins, handmade pottery, knitted dishcloths, quilted oven mitts, and hand-painted ceramic pitches. Next, seasonal decorating. Our seasons Grandmacore feels fresh year-round. Is that it changes with the seasons. Spring use fresh tulips or daisies, botanical prints, and pastel linens. For summer, use wildflowers, lemon-tinted accessories, fresh herbs, and clay pots. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried wheat, and cinnamon-colored textiles. For winter, use pine garlands, candles, evergreen trees, winter holiday dishes. Storage ideas. Beautiful storage is an important part of the style. Glass jars with wooden lids, wicker baskets for vegetables, wooden crates for pantry items, open shelving, vintage cabinets, hanging mug racks, wall-mounted spice shelves. The perfect finishing touches. Small details complete the Grandmacore atmosphere. Use a fresh pie or handmade bread on the counter, a floral teapot always ready for tea, a bowl of seasonal fruit, fresh herbs growing on the windowsill, a vintage-style clock, family recipes displayed in decorative frames. Common mistakes to avoid: buying everything brand new at once, using too many artificial decorations, overcrowding every surface, mixing too many bold colors, using cold white lighting instead of warm lighting, choosing plastic accessories over natural materials. A successful Grandmacore kitchen feels as though it has evolved over many years, blending vintage finds, family heirlooms, handmade crafts, and practical everyday items into a space that is both beautiful and genuinely lived in. Next, Grandmacore kitchen decorating tips. First, mix old and new pieces. Pair modern appliances with vintage furniture or antique-inspired accessories. This creates a balanced kitchen that is both practical and nostalgic. Avoid making everything look brand new. Number 2. Decorate with floral patterns. Use floral curtains, tablecloths, or seat cushions in soft colors. Small floral prints add warmth without overwhelming the space. Choose timeless designs over bold modern patterns. Number 3. Use open wooden shelving. Display everyday dishes, teacups, and glass jars instead of putting them away. Keep the shelves neatly arranged for a cozy and organized appearance. Natural wood shelves enhance the window feel. Next, choose warm lighting. Install warm light bulbs, window pendant lights, or wall sconces. Soft lighting makes the kitchen feel inviting throughout the day and evening. Avoid harsh, cool-toned lights. Next, add natural textures. Decorate with wicker baskets, linen towels, wooden cutting boards, and ceramic bowls. These materials bring warmth and authenticity to the room. Layering different textures creates visual interest. Display vintage cookware, hang copper pans, enamel pots, or cast iron skillets where they can be seen. Functional cookware also becomes decorative in a Grandmacore kitchen. Keep frequently used pieces within easy reach. cozy breakfast corner. Place a small wooden table near a window with comfortable cushions. Decorate with fresh flowers and a simple table genre. This inviting space is perfect for tea, coffee, or family breakfast. Bring nature indoors. Grow herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary on the windowsill. Fresh greenery adds color, fragrance, and usefulness to the kitchen. Seasonal flowers also help create a cheerful atmosphere. Use windows-inspired storage. Store dry ingredients in clear glass jars with simple labels. Organize fruits and vegetables in open baskets or wooden crates. Attractive storage keeps the kitchen both beautiful and functional. Decorate with handmade items. Add crochet pot holders, embroidered napkins, or quilted oven mitts. Handmade accessories give the kitchen a personal and heartfelt touch. They also reflect the traditional spirit of the Grandmacore style. Focus on comfort first. A Grandmacore kitchen should feel welcoming and lived in rather than perfectly styled. Comfortable setting, warm colors, and personal touches make the space feel enjoyable for everyday life. Guests should immediately feel at home when they enter. Celebrate everyday tradition. Display items that encourage baking, cooking, and sharing meals with family. Use recipe books, cookie jars, and tea sets become part of the decor while remaining useful. These details help create a kitchen filled with meaningful memories. Use a soft color palette. Neutral shades combined with muted greens, blues, and battery yellows create a calming atmosphere. Gentle colors allows vintage accessories to stand out naturally, keeping the palette consistent makes the kitchen feel harmonious. Incorporate antique-inspired details. Vintage-style cabinet hardware, porcelain knobs, and brass fixtures add authentic charm. Even small upgrades can give a modern kitchen a classic appearance. These accents work beautifully with wood and ceramic materials. Layer decorative accessories. Instead of using a single statement piece, combine baskets, pottery, framed artwork, and plants. Varying heights and textures create depth without making the room feel cluttered. Leave enough open space to keep the arrangement balanced. Highlight craftsmanship. Handmade pottery, open baskets, and crocheted decorations bring unique character to the kitchen. Imperfections make these items feel genuine and full of personality. Quality craftsmanship is more important than expensive decorations. Display seasonal ingredients. Keep fresh flowers, vegetables, or herbs in attractive bowls and baskets. Seasonal product adds natural color while making the kitchen feel active and inviting. Replace items regularly to maintain a fresh appearance. Choose timeless furniture, wooden tables, classic chairs, and vintage hats. Never go out of style. Travel furniture develops character as it ages and becomes part of the home's story. Simple designs often last longer than trendy pieces. Keep decorations meaningful. Select items that remind you of family traditions, favorite recipes, or cherished memories. Personal collections create a more authentic Grandmacore atmosphere than most product decor. Every piece should contribute to the kitchen's story. Balance beauty with practicality. Decorative items should also serve a purpose whenever possible. Attractive storage containers, useful cookware, and functional textiles make the kitchen easier to use every day. A Grandmacore kitchen is designed for living, not just for display. Create a lived-in atmosphere. A Grandmacore kitchen should look as though it has been lovingly used for years rather than recently decorated. A small sign of daily life, like teapot on the stove, or a basket of fresh bread. Make the space feel authentic. The goal is comfort, not perfection. Embrace vintage-inspired patterns, floral prints, gingham checks, tiny stripes, and delicate botanical motifs are all classic choices. Mixing 2 or 3 complementary patterns adds charm without overwhelming the room. Keep the colors soft to maintain a peaceful look. Display family heirlooms. Old serving bowls, antique clocks, embroidered linens, or inherited china can become beautiful focal points. These treasured pieces add emotional value as well as visual interest. They help tell the story of your home. Use natural wood whenever possible. Wooden cabinets, tools, shelves, and dining tables create warmth and timeless appeal. Even small wooden accessories like trays or utensils can enhance the Grandmacore aesthetic. Choose finishes that highlight the wood's natural grain. Decorate with fresh flowers. Place seasonal blooms in ceramic pitchers, vintage vases, or glass jars. Fresh flowers brighten the kitchens and bring nature indoors. Even small arrangements can make the room feel cheerful and welcoming. Add charming wall decor, hand-framed botanical prints, vintage recipe cards, or rustic wooden sign to personalize the walls. Decorative plates and antique mirrors also suit the style well. Keep the arrangement balanced so the walls don't feel crowded. Decorate with intention. Every accessory should have a purpose, a memory, or a story behind it. Avoid filling every shelf just to match the style. A carefully chosen collection creates a more meaningful and timeless Grandmacore kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.